I hope we get a 5-star here, guys. I'm saying that it's like a legendary egg, Nefty. In Aurora Project, it has 5 rarities. 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. 1-star is the common. 2-star is the uncommon. 3-star is the rare. 4-star is the epic, and 5-star is the legendary. If we could get a 5-star right now, man, this is going to be a stream bug for sure again. Because last time, my first stream is actually a 5-star bug. So I hope we could get another one. Whoa, we are so many here in the Discord right now. Welcome to you guys. Feel free to chat here in the game night 2 open chat. Let's go. A B block, a 1-star, and that's how you get your free NFT, guys. Now, okay, you need to get good. Okay, all right, let's open this, and oh my God, we got another 1-star. This. Which one is faster, me or? Okay. Okay. So, for those who is watching right now, this is a PvP. Whoa! You don't do that to me, my friend. You don't dodge to me like that, huh? Alright, so we have a dynamite here.